Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to the business department. My name is Professor Ramon Baltazar, and with these three videos, I'm going to introduce to you the business department, an overview. We're going to talk about the progress chart. We're going to talk about the finding your classes on the schedule. And finally, on the third video, we're going to try and explain to you the importance of your GPA and completing your courses within the GPA limitations, okay? So let's go get started. I'm gonna start sharing my screen with you immediately after this, okay? But first, let me thank you in behalf of Dr. Uh, uh, Brandy Payne and myself. Brandy Payne is the MBA chair, and I am the undergraduate business chair for fall of 2021. And again, my name is Professor Ramon Balsar. So let me get started. Okay. All right. So here is again what I am going to try and talk to you about. First of all, is to introduce the business department. We're going to review the business progress charts, okay? And then we will move on to finding classes in the schedule, and then finally the GPA. All right, so let's get started. First of all, the business department is made out of three areas. First, it is the business administration major. We also have legal administration, and we have sports management. So each of those are very distinct. And we also have the graduate level, which would be under Dr. Brandy Payne, is the master's in business administration. So first of all, let's look at the first topic I wanted to cover, which is the progress chart, okay? So first of all, what is the progress chart? The progress chart basically is your guideline, okay? And this will be passed around during orientation, okay? It is your guideline, your pathway, your requirements to be able to graduate with a business degree, whether it's in business administration, legal administration, or whether it's also sports management or MBA. For this video, we are going to cover the undergraduate business administration degree. Okay, so how do you get there? Well, first of all, do a search for Bethesda University, of course, and when you get to the home page, okay, go to student life, okay, and then go to progress chart. So as you get to progress chart, click on it. And here you will see business administration version 2021. Okay. This is what we call your progress chart. Please make a copy of it and keep it for yourself. And then over time, what I would like you to do is keep records on this side of what you think you have covered. So let me explain what the progress chart should give you, okay? First of all, the goal is to try and get to finish 126 units, okay? 126 units basically is what you need to cover in the 4 years that you are going to be with us at BUC. Okay. The progress chart is made out of many areas of concentration that you have to cover. First of all, you have to cover 36 units of general education. Okay. You have to cover 12 units of electives that you may choose later on, whatever you want to, form of concentration, interest that you would like. And then also you will have to take 3 units of Christian service. This is a mandatory attendance in chapel. Okay, now all of this, okay, will amount to 36 units. You're going to have to choose, for example, 6 units here, which would be both of these. You're going to have to choose 6 units or 2 courses out of this 4, so you don't have to take all of them. You can choose any 2, okay? And then, again, the same thing, 9 units among here. You can choose. You don't have to take all of them, just 3, okay? And then natural science, mandatory, you have to take these 2. And finally, again, this is also mandatory. You have to take these 3 units. Okay, and electives, you choose later on what would you like to take for those. Each semester, Christian service, half a unit for attending what we call chapel. Okay. Now, this is basically your general education, electives, and Christian service part. Let's move now to your core classes. Okay, whether it's in legal, business, or sports management, most of these classes are your core concentration. 30 units, which will be all of this. You have to complete all of this in 4 semesters. Now, the next part, okay, professional studies, 45 units. You can take 15 out of any of this, okay? It doesn't have to be all. You can take 15 classes. Or you may choose other courses that you feel would be appropriate to your level of interest. For example, for many of you that are concentrating in the sports management, you may use this area, okay? Choose a sports management course, and it will be recorded as one of those for your professional studies. Okay? Now, add all of that together is 126 units. Okay? Now, the strategy is to try and work through many of this in 4 semesters. For a business administration student, 126 units at 3 units per course is equals to 42 courses. Now, 42 courses, on an average, if you were to take 5 courses, okay, and this would include chapel, you will be able to graduate in 8 semesters or 4 years, okay? Now, this is not including taking courses in winter or summer. So if you were just to come to classes during the fall and the spring semester, you can graduate in 8 semesters, okay, or the equivalent of 4 years. All right, so that is the plan, but of course, some of you might take longer, and hopefully you can graduate within 4+ years, but on an average, it would be around 4 years, okay? All right. So to summarize, okay, this is your progress chart, okay? You will have to fulfill all of these requirements: 36, 12, 31 units, 30 for your core, 45 units for your professional studies. You have areas where you can take also things that are not here, courses that are not here, specifically for sports management. Okay. In total, complete 126 units in about 4 years, or a little bit more, maybe plus, but 4 years would be the average. Okay. So video one is basically about the business department and the progress chart. On the next video, I will show you basically how to find the courses that you picked and find them on the schedule of classes. Thank you very much. This is Professor Ramon Baltazar. Bye-bye.